Today we're going to present to you a short skit prepared by Group 2. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. In their house...
Mom! I love my face! No, Mom, since I want to start the fight. Oh my gosh! You're ruining my makeup! How dare you!
Wala ka namang makeup. Wala namang makeup.
Their mom walked them to school.
Mami.
Yes, Mom.
Good morning, class. Today we're going to discuss about the importance of our family. Our family is the building block of our society. All successful people reach their place now because of their ever-supporting family. Therefore, we must value and love our family. It's lunchtime. You may now go.
Ang bilis.
Eliza for lunch.
You were back to yan. You with that stupid girl. You love me. It's for your information. Kala ko ba stupid girl?
I'm the most gorgeous girl in this school.
Ew! Makata pa sa'yo si, April.
At home,
Maganda pa sa kanya si April. Go, Big!
Eliza and Debbie went home with a hatred for each other. When they reached their house, their parents reprimanded them, which made them realize their mistake.
Palo. Palo tapos. Lagot kayo, mama. Ano ba yan?
So, no more fight? Promise? Promise.
One more fight. One last fight.
Starting that day, they become not only sisters, but also the best of friends.
Yarek.
We don't care consist of minerals that are in the earth, plant, and soil.
Atmosphere yun.
Biosphere indicates the rooms of organisms.
Yan yung little sphere. Correct. Very well said.
Oh, it's already
Eliza and Desi excelled in class. That's why they become honor
Yes.
students in their
Yes. Ganda ng medal, ah.
The children become successful businessmen. They are able to buy the things they want because of their hard work.
TV.
What makes us happy is our family. Peace is also an example of the things that make us happy.
Gago ka
One
talaga.
of the things we've had, which is the result